Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Hyundai Tucson with a physical key. This method is essential if your remote isn't working or your car battery is dead. We'll go through the simple steps to gain entry, ensuring you're never stranded. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few seconds, providing peace of mind for any situation. Let's get started with finding that keyhole. First, let's find that hidden keyhole. On many Hyundai Tucson models, the keyhole is cleverly concealed behind a small cap on the driver's side door handle. You might need to look closely. Use the tip of your physical key or a small, flat tool to carefully pry off this cover. It's designed to pop off without damage, revealing the traditional key slot underneath. Don't worry, it's a common design feature. Once the keyhole is visible, insert your physical key all the way in. Make sure it's seated properly. Now, turn the key firmly about 1/4 turn clockwise. You should feel a slight resistance and then hear a distinct click, indicating that the door has successfully unlocked. This action directly engages the mechanical locking mechanism, bypassing any electronic systems. It's a reliable way to get inside. After successfully unlocking the door, you can now open it and enter your Hyundai Tucson. If you used the physical key because your remote wasn't working, it's a good idea to check your car's battery. A dead car battery is a common reason for remote failure. Alternatively, your remote's battery might simply need replacing. Addressing these issues will restore your remote's functionality for future convenience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.